Patrol Academy!
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Boom Boom and welcome back to my music room. Today I am so excited because we're doing a Cajon drum lesson. I love playing my Cajon drum and I love teaching you guys new rhythms, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to learn 2 new Cajon drum patterns. 2 patterns. So if you're ready for music, can you clap your hands? If you're ready for music, say, oh yeah. Let's start our Cajon drum lesson. Now, it's okay if you do not have a Cajon drum. You can use your laps. You can use a bucket or any other hand drum because we're alternating between the middle of our drum and the edge. So we want to get a low sound and a high sound. And we're going to play our 2 patterns to the song, Make You Mine. All right, if we're ready, let's get started. All right, we're going to start off by doing quarter note patterns on the top or the edge of our drum like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Very good. Let's do our next pattern. Our next pattern goes like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's do it again, even slower now. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Middle, edge, middle, middle, edge. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now let's speed that up a little bit. I know you can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Keep it going and count as you play. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And done. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, have your grown-up hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you follow us on social media. Very good. Now it's time to learn the second pattern. Our second pattern has a rest in it. We're going to play 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. So instead of saying 3, we say rest, and that means we do not play. We keep our instrument silent. Let's practice again. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Very good. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. Let's put it all together now. So we start off with even quarter notes. This is our warm-up pattern, just alternating between the left and the right. And then our first pattern goes like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Keep it going. Let's play. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pattern 2. Here we go. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. And done. Quarter notes at the top. 2, 3, 4. Pattern 1. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pattern 2. Let's go. 1, 2, rest, 4. to pattern 1, let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pattern 2, here we go. 1, 2, rest, 4. Back to pattern 1, let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back to pattern 2, let's go. 1, 2, rest, 4. Pattern 1, let's rock out. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Keep it going. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One, two, three, and stop. Are you looking for unforgettable entertainment for your special event? You can book me, Mr. Boom Boom. I perform for school assemblies, libraries, birthday parties, and more. Head on over to my website, mrboomboom.com. That was so much fun. I enjoyed playing our 2 new drum patterns to the song, Make You Mine. Did you have a good time? I know you did, and you did an outstanding job. Give yourselves a big hand clap. Yeah, you deserve it. Now, if you want to do more drumming with me, you can click the playlist down below. And if you don't have a Cajon drum, you can ask your grown-up to go to mrboomboom.shop. And there I have my custom Cajon drum for kids, the one that Little Boom Boom plays in my videos. And you can use promo code YouTube10 to save 10%. Grown-ups, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram at Mr. Boom Boom Music. And don't forget to tag me in those awesome videos you post of your little ones rocking out to my videos.